This is the last video in the direct inverse variation material in class. Okay, that specific section, okay, which is direct inverse variation. So this one here we have word problems. And what I ultimately want to do is to find the value that it's asking us for. So number 9 is asking us what will be its volume under pressure of 30 kilograms per centimeter squared. And then number 10, it says what is the actual distance between them. Okay, so I don't want to find, you're not going to get graded on finding the K and all this other stuff. You're going to actually have to find the value. You're going to have to find K no matter what, but it's not going to be asking you for that. So it says the volume of gas varies inversely. So the volume varies inversely with the pressure. So that's the equation that we're actually using. And then it gives us the volume of gas, which is 120, is equal to the constant of variation over the amount of pressure, which is 15. So if I multiply these two, I get K is equal to 1800. That's our constant of variation, 1800. That's very high, but this problem, that's exactly what it says, right? So what will be its volume under pressure of 30? So I'm going to use my original equation, but plugging in 1800 for P. I'm going to be filling in what they give me. So they give me the pressure. I want to find the volume. So V is equal to 1800 divided by 30, because that is the pressure. So I want to divide those, and if I do that correctly, I get 60. 60 what? Well, what are the units of volume? Volume is measured in centimeters cubed. So centimeters cubed. That is your answer to that problem. On number 10, it's saying that they vary directly. So what varies directly? Well, the kilometers varies directly with the centimeters. So kilometers is equal to K, constant, times the centimeters. So I do know that the kilometers is 48, the centimeters is 6. So let's start plugging in, substituting values to see what we get. So when I do this, I get K is 8. Okay, so our K value is 8. So my equation now would be Km, kilometers, is equal to 8 times the number of centimeters. If the two cities are 18 centimeters apart, I'm going to plug that in for centimeters. So 8 times 15 is equal to 120. So that means that there are 120 kilometers that separate those two distances. Okay? So the actual distance is 120 kilometers between those two cities.